Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what is the leverage and margin we are getting now in different trading platform, that is different brokers. So as you guys know, SEBI has made a new rules now and the margins has been reduced, but I'll be telling you what are the margins we are getting now and what is the best broker for the margin. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end, and I'll be talking about three brokerage firms in this video, that is Zerodha, Upstock and Asta. Okay, so I'll be telling you what are the margins you're getting in these three brokerage firms. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the margins what we are getting now after the new SEBI rules. Okay, so firstly we'll talk about Zerodha. Okay, so we'll be talking about the equity margin what we're getting on Zerodha. Okay, so for those of you beginners who don't know what is margin or the leverage means, that is the extra money what you're getting. So whatever capital you have, let's say you have a capital of 50,000, so you get a leverage here. Okay, 11x 9x like this. So this is the leverage, and whatever capital you have, it becomes into 11 or into 10 depending on the stock what you're getting. Okay, so depending on the stock you get a margin. Okay, so nowadays, as you know, due to the new SEBI rules, so you get maximum up to 15 to 16 times in Zerodha. Okay, so in normal MIS order you get like 16x, okay, 15x and all, and for some stock they'll be different. Okay, so for MIS they'll be like 4-5 times, and for cover order, so those of you who use cover order, you get more in cover order. Okay, like 7x. Okay, for example here, so BHEL, it's 5x in normal MIS order, and in cover order you get 7 times. Okay, so if you just click this button here, it will show the maximum leverage what you're getting. Okay, for Adani Ports you get 10x in MIS, and in cover order you get up to 16 times. Okay, so that's how you guys can see here. Okay, so in Zerodha you get up to 16 times if you're using cover order. Okay, so this is about Zerodha. Okay, and for futures you get only up to 4 or 5 times in any broker. Okay, so in Zerodha you get up to 16x in cover order. Okay, so whatever stock you're choosing, so as you can see there's a lot of stocks here, so you can search for that. Okay, so let's say you have to trade on Indalco, so if you search for Indalco, you can see the margin here. Okay, so if you're keeping normal MIS order, you get 7 times margin, and if you're keeping cover order, you get 12 times margin. Okay, so this is how you can find out. So if you guys don't know how to calculate the stocks what you're getting by using margin, so this is the formula what you need to use, that is capital what you have into margin and divided by the stock price what you're trading. So if you do that, you'll get the answer. So that's the quantity what you get to trade, and whatever broker you're using, you can calculate the margin by going to their website. For example, now I'm showing you about Zerodha. You can go to Zerodha margin and get to know about the margin what you're getting for a particular stock. So this is about Zerodha. Okay, so now let's talk about Upstocks. Okay, so Upstock doesn't have a page like that, I guess, as of I know. So I just opened this page, that is Zerodha Upstock margin calculator, and here I just added Axis Bank here and I made it as 1000 quantity. So right now Axis Bank is trading at 612 rupees. Okay, and if I have to trade 1000 quantity on Axis Bank, I need 61,240 rupees. That is, here Upstock is giving 10 times margin for equity trading, okay, on Axis Bank. So this is how you can calculate on the Axis Bank. Okay, so even in Upstock you can get up to 10 to 15 times margin. In Zerodha, if you are using cover order, you get up to 16 times margin. Okay, and now let's talk about Asta Trade. So many of my subscribers know what is Asta Trade and their platform is. So in Asta Trade, there's a good advantage here. So you get equity intraday 20 times margin. Okay, and for delivery same 4x margin, and for future also it's 4x margin. Got it? So for all other things it's a 4x, but for intraday trading on equity you're getting up to 25 times margin in Asta account. Okay, so if you guys wish to open an Asta trading account, you can go to the link in the description below and click on that link and you can open your account to get the benefits of more margin in equity trading. Okay, and you can go to the margin column here in Asta Trade, and there you will get to know how much you're getting. Okay, so this is for NSE cash. So if I click that, you can see here, so you won't get 25 times for all the stocks. So depending on the stock name and the stock price, it depends. For ACC you're getting 24 times, and Adani Enterprises you get 12 times. So it depends on what stock it is. Okay, so for every stock you won't get 25 times. So for some bank like Bandhan Bank, you get 8 times. For Bank of India, you get 16 times margin. So depending on that, you'll get the margin. Okay, so depending on the stock price and the stock name, you're getting the margin here. Yes, so if you guys want to take advantage of getting more margin, you can open your account in Asta Trade. So the link is in the description below of this video. If you guys are interested, you can click that link and open your account and get the advantage of getting more margin. Okay, so these are the available margin right now. Okay, so according to the new rule and new policy set by SEBI, so these are all the new margin what you're getting on different kind of trading platforms. So these are the things which are running as of now. Okay, so these are the margin update what it has happened now. And if you guys want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading and want to make a good consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one very soon.